Hey guys, this is Elijah, and not one, but 2 packages had came for me. Yeah, I think my dad said it's coming today, and it was right. I can start off this one because my brother opened it. I thought he said it wasn't mine, so yeah. But it's not now, so I've seen him also. Yeah. I guess we can use scissors for the video. Wait, give me a second. This is hard. Okay. Come on. Okay, big pack. Okay, this is so dumb. Why would I even do this like that? I don't need to do. I think I need scissors, so. Yeah, here's my Myrtle Engines and Diesel 10 Splatter and Dodge. Dodge, sorry. Oh, I think I know what it is. Oh my god. Look, I think I heard. Oh, I can't. Oh. This is kind of dumb. This is the dumbest packaging wrapping. Like, what the heck? Okay, this is. Sorry. Come on! Oh my god. This is so dumb today. Why would you even do this, bro? Give me a second. This is acting stupid right now, bro. Okay? Hey, buddy. You're out. Oh my god. He's here. Oh my god. Is it Wonder Splatter? Oh my god, that's Splatter. I love you. Oh my god. I have the Wonder Splatter. So I'm gonna check what date it is. It's 2000 in. It's 2000. Oh my god. I wanted Splatter so bad. And I got him. And I believe this one's Bluebell. So yeah. Add the whole game. I am gonna do a little audio story. Like, remember I made my Time Magic Rail version? Yeah. I didn't make a backstory of Spongebob Squarepants, and I put in my Time Magic Rail series, so yeah. And I guess it's Bluebell. Oh my god. Splaw jumped back, Splatter got it here. I'm so happy. I had Dodge for years. Oh yeah, here's Lady. And I'm Thomas. Oh my god. Yeah, here's Lady and Thomas. Here's my Metro characters. Splatter is back, baby. I guess you don't need scissors after all. To actually rip the package. So yeah. Splatter's now in my collection. And it's blue, and it's the engine. Oops. I actually banged my camera, so this is gonna be the take because I did fucking a copyright claim. What the heck is kind of wrapping this, bro? Oh, I think she's here. I will send to you the worst ERTL item. Bluebell! A lot of people say the Bluebell's the worst item, so ERTL item, so yeah. I'm pretty happy I got Bluebell. Why did she look like that? So yeah. I'm pretty happy I got Bluebell because I need 70 Bluebell. There are some cards like Primrose, Crumford, Adam, Captain Basker, whatever his name is, but yeah. I'm pretty happy I got Bluebell. Now, Bluebell's probably the worst ERTL item, so. But for some reason, I don't think Bluebell's the worst item. Still 10's the worst ERTL item. I don't know. I guess people didn't really like the design. Yeah. Yeah, this is a 1996, I believe, or 86. I'll go check properly. Yeah, it's 1986. Yes, it was 1986. So or 96. I'm not sure. So yeah, well, that's my unboxing video. So yeah, I am gonna make a backstory of Splatter and Dodge and the Time for Wonder stories, shorts, whatever. And I'm pretty much gonna add Bluebell to my ERTL series. I'm gonna make a season 2. Yeah, season 2 will arrive on like maybe a Thursday. I don't know, but it will arrive on Thursday apparently. So, and yeah, movie for Splatter and Dodge's backstory will come out, I guess, tomorrow. And Time for Wonder story series will come out like a Wednesday. And yeah, Winterverse. Yeah. So The backstory will come out tomorrow. Stories will come out this and then well, yeah. Whatever. So yeah. Anyways, that's my boxing video of the Winter Race Splatter and Bluebell. So yeah. Now I'm afraid I have to do a remake clip of the chase scene. You know what? Maybe I should. And maybe do some Magic Road remix. That'll come out like next week. Or this week, I don't know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Elijah and peace out. Bye.